Welcome to the Microsoft Word tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basic of using Microsoft Word so that you can start creating professional looking Microsoft Word documents. So today I will discuss about auto recover computers. Don't always work the way they are supposed to. Nothing is more frustrating than when a program, for no apparent reason, decides to take a quick nap, looks up, and stops responding to your commands, especially if you lost the precious document that you are working on. Fortunately, Word keeps temporary versions of your documents as you work. If it encounters a problem and stops responding, you can restart Microsoft Word on your computer and try to recover your lost documents. These are two criteria I will discuss you. The first criteria is recover a document. Recover a document includes four factors, and the first factor is restart Microsoft Word. If an unsaved documents can be recovered, the recovered header will appear. The next option is click recover unsaved documents. The documents recovered pane appears listing all recovered documents that are found. And the third criteria is select the documents from the document recovery pane. The last auto-saved version of the document opens. And the fourth criteria is click close. The documents recovery pane close and you can get back to work. The second criteria is auto recover setting. You can further project your work by adjusting the auto recover setting. You can change the auto recover, save your interval so that it saves more frequently than the default setting of every 10 minutes. Auto recover setting include 5 factor, and the first factor is click the file tab. After that select options, and after that click save. Then make sure the save auto recover information check box is checked and adjust the time interval. I will inform you a tip. You can't specify the interval if the checkbox is not selected. Click OK. The auto recover settings are updated. Again, I will inform you a better tips. Even with Microsoft Word document recovery feature, the best way to ensure that you don't lose much information if your computer freezes up is to save your work frequently. So that's it for this Microsoft Word video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with Microsoft Word. Remember to practice and explore the different functions to get a better understanding what Microsoft Word can do. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you again in our next tutorial. Thank you.